Hey guys, Joe here, back with another video, and in today's episode, I got my hands on two drone accessories from STARTRC. The STARTRC hard case and its foldable landing pad. Now, if you're interested in that, stay tuned and watch this video.
Okay, alright.
So what I have for today are two accessories from Altitude Digital. If you guys don't know Altitude Digital, it is an aerial photo video consumer electric store in Mandaluyong City. And that's where I got my DJI Air2s with smart controller combo. I've been using this drone for most of my travels and I've been loving it ever since. One of the accessories I got from Altitude Digital is this STARTRC 50cm portable folding landing pad. As a drone pilot, ideally you should have a landing pad with you, especially when you're a beginner. Honestly, I don't like launching or landing my drone directly from the ground because the drone is still a device that can get unwanted elements like dust, sand, rocks, and it may potentially destroy your drone. I even saw a drone pilot one time in one of my travels and he landed his drone in an uneven ground full of rocks. So after seeing that moment, he broke his propellers. So yeah, I'm not a big fan of launching or even landing my drone directly from the ground. So this 50cm landing pad, it comes with a pouch. What I like about it, it's already lightweight, waterproof, portable, and fast folding. So this is what it looks like when it's unfolded. It is dual colored. One side is blue and the other side is orange. I prefer using the orange side because it's much more visible. In each corner, it has a hole on the side. So if the situation calls for it, you can just put a ground nail for it to be more secured in the ground. With this 50cm landing pad, you can use it as small as a DJI mini drone to its larger foldable drones like the Mavic 2 Pro and DJI FPV. So yeah, this is the STARTRC foldable landing pad. Now this next one is to protect your drone at all costs. Let me just share a story. In my earlier travels for this year, I went to Balabac. You can say one of my hardest rough travel that I've been to, but I definitely enjoyed that trip. The only thing that I would have changed is to make sure that I have the right type of case that will protect my gears at all costs, because if ever you would go to a place like Balabac, Palawan, the waves there are kind of crazy. So yeah, at that time I had a backpack and I really had to cover it with 3 trash bags to fully protect all my gears from seawater. After that trip, I realized I needed something to protect my gears at all costs because owning a drone is really expensive. It's no joke. So this hard case from STARTRC is waterproof, and this is for the DJI Air2 and Air2s. If you're looking for a specific model for your DJI drone, you can check out Altitude Digital and they have different STARTRC cases for any DJI drone. So this model is shockproof and waterproof. Honestly, I wish I had this case during that trip so I would be stressed out regarding the seawater. But now I feel my investment is in good hands because they use high resistance materials that are firm, durable, and protect the drone from corrosion and different temperatures. So externally, it feels strong based on the structure. ASMR to make it sound legit. It has a buckle design when you open and close the case. Each buckle has a hole on its side, so if you need extra safekeeping, you can just put a padlock. Opening the case, this is what the interiors look like. The top cover uses a high density sponge to protect the gears from the inside. Then there's this shockproof EVA lining where you can store the gears to avoid collision and friction to give that extra protection. So I took out all my gears for you to see how I store my DJI Air2s gears because the case didn't have any materials or labels on what goes where. So firstly, I'll add the charger right on top. It should fit nicely. Beside it is where I will put the extra propellers. Next is the battery charging hub. This slot is for the battery converter, which is the device that allows you to use DJI batteries like a power bank. Next is the filter. This comes with the DJI Air2s. USB cable, then the cable to plug the charger, 2 hole slots for your extra joystick controller. This large section has 2 levels. At the bottom, this is where you will store the extra batteries of the Fly More combo. There are 3 slots, but I use the 3rd slot for my lanyard because I fly with a lanyard. On the top level, this is where you put either a standard controller or a smart controller. If you have a standard controller, it will lie vertically, but I have a smart controller, so this is how it's gonna fit. Lastly is the DJI Air2s. There, everything should be organized and snug fit. So this is how I put everything in this case. Alrighty, 2 drone accessories to consider having in your arsenal. If you want to get any of these accessories, you can check out Altitude Digital and I'll place a link down below. And you can use my discount code if you want to buy anything from them. That ends my video for today. I hope this was helpful. If it was, please consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell if you want to see more videos like this. This is Serrano and I'll see you in the next one. See you guys.